Hello and welcome everyone to my another YouTube tutorial, and in this tutorial we will be learning about how to use the if statement with and or operator logical operators. Okay, to make it easy to and clear to understand, I have created a simple sheet where we have one staff and he has different shifts to work and the pay scale per hour, how much we are going to pay. Here in this company, for example, now we have uh, a rule that if someone works on Friday but morning shift, he will get paid $20, and if he works Friday but evening shift, $25. That's extra. Okay, and rest of the days the pay scale is $15 per hour. All this calculation is per hour. So you can see here, to make it much interesting, I have created the formula already, and I will show you how they are linked with the days and the shift. For example, here, if you will let me show you how it works. For example, now this stuff here, it's on Friday, okay, and night shift, he'll get paid $25. But if we will write here, instead of Friday, we'll make it Monday, the pay scale will change to $15. Okay, and here if it is Friday night, $25, and if we will change it to morning shift, M for morning, so the pay scale will change to 20. Okay, how it goes on, how the formula is inserted, let me explain it in details. Actually, we will start here. Where you want the output, the result, you will keep your cell pointer over there on that particular cell and begin with the mode converter equal to sign and type if. Okay, tab, or you can open the bracket, and again you will give the conditional operator, which is and. Okay, then tab or bracket open, you can come here in the logical situation. We will give the conditions here that it should be morning shift and Friday, so $20. So how to insert this statement in the formula? We'll go for the day, which is here in C4 column. You can type it or just click with the mouse. C4 is equals to M, capital or small doesn't matter because it's not case sensitive. Okay, and the second condition is the day should be Friday, so C3 is equals to Friday. Okay, again it's not case sensitive, you can type all capital or small doesn't matter, and we'll close the bracket. So this is one statement. We are saying if and means both these conditions should be true for to get the result of 20. We'll write 20 here. So if it is morning and on Friday shift, $20. Then we'll start our next condition. How? By after giving the comma and type if. Okay, bracket open and same and now here we'll give the other conditions, like for example C4, when the day shift is night and the day is in C3, the day should be Friday. Okay, bracket close. This is our one condition. Then we will give the comma to say that if it is night shift and Friday, then he should be paid $25 per hour. Okay, so we have given both of the conditions here, and now we will give the else operator. Else in our cases, rest of the days it should be 15. Okay, so simple. Now here, how many brackets we have opened, we have to close them. Here this bracket is already closed, here this is closed, so we have two open, 1 2, and press enter. So we will get the result over here. Okay, now you can see if you will change the duty from Monday to make it on Friday, the pay scale will change to 25. Okay, and if it is Friday but M for morning, we have stated you can change the alphabet, you can write anything as you like. So the result, the pay scale will change to 20, and so on. You can copy this formula and apply it for the rest of the days. It will apply on all the days, and if you are working in HR, this is a very useful formula in accounts everywhere. So the main purpose here, you should understand how to use the if and together. Okay, how to uh, apply two conditions, okay, in the formula. For example, the morning shift and Friday, then he'll be paid $20. If it is normal day but not Friday, doesn't matter if it is morning or night, you'll be getting $15. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now we will go to use how to use the or application or statement. I have created it already here. Okay, I will just show you. For example, now here in this situation, just an easy statement I have created. If it is evening shift or any shift on Friday, then you will be paid $25. Okay, for example, if you're working on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, if you're working in night shift, then $25. But if you are working in morning shift in normal days, $15. Okay, but if you're working on Friday, doesn't matter morning or the night, you will be paid $25. How we have applied this formula, let's check it below here. Okay, how to get out this is our formula by the mode converter equal to sign and give if condition. Okay, now press tab and the or operator. Okay, instead of giving and, we'll give or, bracket open, and we'll check our first of all the day duty timing. For example, if it is morning or evening, C13 is equals to M or N. We'll start with N because here it says that evening shift or it is on Friday, so simple, we'll give it evening shift. And the second condition, which one of them should be true, that the day should be Friday. Here we'll write Friday. Okay, and we'll give the bracket closed. Then how much the pay scale? $25 per hour. Okay, now the second condition, after giving the comma, if bracket open, if it is now, the second situation is other rest of the days, if it is morning shift, then the pay scale is $15. So we'll give it in this way, no need to use and or. Okay, here we can mix and match in this way. If C13 here, C13 is equals to morning shift M. Okay, then the pay scale is $15, and we'll give the last statement. If for example someone doesn't appear, we'll mark him as absent, so we'll give the comma. If we will read it as else, this is our last condition, else in all situations let him be marked as absent, nothing to be paid. Okay, we will close the brackets. How much we have opened? 1 2 3. And how many brackets are closed? Only one, so rest two brackets will close. Press enter. Here we'll get our result. Okay, let's see if result is according the as per the rules or no. So here it is Monday but morning shift, $15. And if you will change it to night, and so the pay scale will change to 25. Okay, so let's just, instead of Monday, let's type here Friday. Okay, enter. The pay scale remains 25. Okay, even if it is morning or evening, doesn't matter, it remains $25. And if you will change it back to Monday, $15. Okay, so here is how we use if statement with or logical operator. Okay, where one condition comes true out of two or three multiple conditions you can give. And here in the uppercase, here we use the AND operator. So we wanted to have all the conditions, both conditions should be true, where it should be night shift and Friday so the pay scale was different. And here we have given below that anyone, if you are working in evening shift or if it is a Friday you are working in any other shift, okay, the pay scale should change. So this is how we use the if and if with and or. Okay, I hope this video you will find it helpful in your daily task wherever you're working or you're going to work or you want to develop your skills in Microsoft Excel. You can use it anyway. I use it as a pay scale because I found it to be very helpful. Basically, I have used it in my organization to create these duty hours, to count them and all, and it was very helpful. Okay, my friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it to get the latest updates. Click on the bell icon below. See you next time. Take care. Bye.